Hello guys, welcome back to another video to TechChat Gaming. I am Dhanush and today I am going to play Roblox. So in today's video, I am going to play Driving Simulator and I am going to do some races and say about whether to play this game or no. Personally, I like this game. It's better than Jailbreak. The graphics, the cars, everything are nice. It looks like a realistic game. So I started playing this game for about 3 weeks, I think, or more than that, and I have 10 cars. Ten cars, guys, 10 cars, can you believe it? Oh no, what the? Okay, guys, so I have to be in the race. So I have 10 cars like Fermat, Lamborghini Aventador, Lamborghini Centurion, means Centuro. I don't know how to spell some car names, but this is an overall nice game to play for me. So let's play some 2 3 races, and let's see. This car costs 8 lakhs, and I bought it yesterday only, and today I have 3 lakhs 22,000. Easy ways to earn money is to go to races like downtown race. With this car you can totally win the game. And this car, instead of this, you should buy a car called Lancios, in which that car, I'm not in the race shit. That car is a good car, guys, because you can actually win many races with that car. Actually win many races. So you can win many races with that car, guys, and that's so good thing about it. The car is small and has 100 handling and 80 brakes. I bought that car, and with the money of that car only I buy this. So I'm going to do some races. I wonder what races to do, because people will be in downtown races and other things. Oh, the driving simulator is my brother. I want to race with him in Coastline Cruise.
Hi guys, I'm going.
So some Coastline Cruise with my brother. His name is Driving Simulator. Sorry guys, his sound is not available, but let's see. He recently bought this car. That car is really sick, guys. Really sick. You can totally ambush people with that car. But I like mine the most, but I don't like to lose. My brother does unnecessarily overactions, so he loses many matches also. I don't do that, so I win many of them. I have found the shortcut to win this game. I'm using that shortcut and I'm almost to the end, and I won 2200. This is not a big amount, but I'm going to go to a race called downtown race that gives me most of my money. I win many races in that with this car, with the help of this car, speed, etc. And I literally won so many races, guys. You can't believe how many I won with this. This doesn't keep the count of races won, but I think I get more than 100 or so with this car. So 3 lakhs 25,000 is a big amount. Really a big amount. So waiting for the races takes so much time, but if your luck is nice, you can win most of the races. So I have 3,25,000 and I am thinking to unlock a car in front of you. So let's go to cars. Going to Jesco. 3,20,000. I can't afford that much. So my brother says me to buy this Audi R8, but I don't think it's a nice car. So not buying a Audi R8, guys. I'm not buying a Audi R8. I'm thinking to buy this Senna. So comment down below which car should I buy, and let's do some races. Let's do some races here. I'll see better or Lambo or even. Lambo. So I'm into the race and I'll show you the best thing about this car. This car doesn't have much handling, guys. It's not better than Senna, but if you have a choice about Lamborghini and Senna, what will you buy? Comment down below. I like Lambos personally, so unnecessarily if I crash, the problem is that to regain it will take so much time until and unless people do mistake. Here literally I am not controlling the car, guys. It's flying on its own. So this is the problem with fast cars. So in this game I figured out this problem and I bought a best car called Lancios for this downtown races. It's cheaper and better car as it has around 200 speed and it literally wins most of the races in the game. Literally most of the races. I have to not do such mistakes, but people do more than me, so they lost. So I see instant 6,000 rupees is so much. 6,000 is so much, guys, actually. So win 10 races like that, you are gonna have 60,000. I did so many races and the final outcome is that I have 3,33,000. So around the world race, if you have a good luck, there will be some noobs. So with that amount, you can literally win many races. I just entered the races then, guys. Sorry for that. So this has become a face reveal kind of thingy, but it's okay. So please like, share and subscribe our videos, and you comment us below what all games should we all play. Comment us what all games should we play, guys. Till then, meet you in another video at Addicted Gaming.